So the best thing about our conversation is that कल जब अपन बात कर रहे थे we thought कि कल CA day है and she was like कल डॉक्टर डे भी है तो कुछ साथ में करते हैं कुछ डिस्कशन करते हैं as in like a fun conversation because it has been observed from my podcast कि बहुत ज़्यादा serious and intuitive discussions हो रहा है throughout the podcast. So she came up with this thing कि you know what, let's talk about something more lighter. Obviously we can have more intuitive discussions, but we can have certain simpler discussions also. So I have with us the most beautiful doctor, I believe, Dr. Rikita
Thank you
Agarwal.
so much.
She's also my batchmate. We studied in Don Bosco together, and we have some crazy ideas and crazy stories to share, I believe. So Rikita, like, tell me straight away, why doctor? How did the journey start? And what went along? You thought of you becoming a doctor, and what inspired you?
Thank you, Sashank. First of all, I'm very glad that we decided on something like this. Just a light-hearted talk, because the things you decided or wanted that it should be in a session, I thought people would get too bored. So I think it should be a two-way conversation. Happy CA day to you too, first of all.
Happy Doctor's Day to you.
Thank you so much. And we chose a very good day to start with. Yeah, so as per why doctor is like, see, I don't think so any doctor can give a reason to it like why doctor. It's like it's a dream which you want to achieve. We don't know beforehand what you will feel after that, but something is like some love is there for the prefix. And my journey, it's since you already know it and you're my batchmate, but I would like to share it again.
Very crazy.
Like, I was like always, my parents used to ask me when I was in 6th or 7th standard, like, what do you want to become? I was like, very proud, I would become a doctor, I'll join medicine. And they were like, okay, only okay. I thought, okay, they're taking it seriously. But after I completed my 10th, I had achieved good marks. I was like pretty sure they'll allow me to join science. And I had never ever thought, but slowly they started building up the thing of commerce into me, like, join commerce, it will be pretty good for you, it's very good, you don't know the prospects. Okay, I thought कि अब बोल दिया है. I joined commerce before I joined tuitions. I had also taken admission, that is why I was a batchmate. I did 1 month class or what, then something or other I couldn't adjust, like debit credit did not suit me. So finally I went to our school teacher, Das Basu ma'am. I'm very thankful to her that she allowed me. And I was like, literally, I went and I complained about my mother that she forced me to take commerce. Then Das Basu ma'am, secretly, she called my mom the next day and she took my marks of 10. Then after studying 1 month of commerce and already the science students being 3 to 4 months ahead of me, I jumped into the science stream, all into a hazel, like I couldn't understand what was happening or anything. I was just there sitting. And all my friends were like, I had already made friends in commerce section, so I had no one in science before. Slowly grow up hua. It took around 6 to 7 months just to adjust there because the course had gone very far. Actually, they start just after metric. So, but dhire grab up hua. But I'm like very happy with the decision. That was by far the best decision of my life, that I followed my dream. And I'm really thankful to all the teachers who allowed me.
That's all. Crazy. Now people have always heard this story कि लोग जो है वो science से commerce shift हो गए, not considering anything which is bad or good, like, but that's the trend.
I was asked by Das Basu ma'am when I asked, I want to change my stream. Ma'am asked, which stream are you in now? I said, ma'am, commerce. She was like, okay, so you want to go to arts? So I said, oh, ma'am, from commerce to science. She was like, what? Why did you join then? Then she also asked me the reasons and everything. Then finally, like, if she would not have allowed me to join because the admissions were already over, I didn't have any hope that I would be getting a seat. I just went out of frustration of commerce to blurt it out upon someone because my mother was not agreeing to it. She had her own reasons because it's too long, the journey is too long, that's all. But somehow I got into science and now here I am today talking to you.
नहीं, that's awesome यार. Like the if ऐसे देखो, अगर आपको कभी गुस्सा आ जाए कभी कोर्स के ऊपर, तो देख लो ऐसे डॉक्टर्स बन जाते हैं. तो जो भी आप कर रहे हो, अगर आपके अंदर वो गुस्सा आ जाए तो आप कुछ भी बन सकते हो.
हाँ, डॉक्टर बन
So yeah,
सकते हो कुछ भी
that's
बन सकते
crazy.
हैं.
That's crazy. I've seen people who have left like IITs and they have gone to like do they become pilots and all, which is crazy because मतलब एक होता है ना, passion to do something can drive you and make you do anything that you want to.
And the saying is totally true. If you love what you're doing, you never feel that you're working. I have felt
True.
it. Same, I
True.
think so. It goes with
Yeah.
you too.
100%. 100%. Yeah. That's awesome. So like, okay, so 11, 12 का preliminary journey खत्म हो गया आपका. Now comes the major things. I believe कि a lot of medical students might also be interested in knowing also कि
Yeah.
क्या होता है
वो
उसके बाद में, what is the tougher part, and like आपको क्या like there is always a notion ना, जैसे अभी अगर आप सोचो 11th में हो या 12th में हो, तो you have a thought process कि ऐसे मैं entrance clear करूंगी and मैं उसके बाद में I'll get into a college and I'll study. So is it the same way or it's pretty different than the way you plan basically?
No, to be really honest, like I like no one there. In my family there is no one from medical field, so I didn't have any idea about it. I just knew doctor hota hai, chamber hote hain, patients aate hain, and I wanted to become one. I had a figure portrait. I thought clearing the entrance is everything. Like MBBS clear kar lo. We have an entrance like NEET.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's NEET UG. Before it was different for Assam, but now it's all together. So I thought वो clear कर लो, आप डॉक्टर बन जाओगे. ये था नोशन इन माय 20s. ठीक है, तो क्लियर हुआ नीट. उसके बाद तो फर्स्ट ईयर में गए, फिर पता चला कि जो एंट्रेंस था दैट इज ओनली 1% ऑफ व्हाट यू नीड टू स्टडी. सो धीरे धीरे वो डाइजेस्ट किया. फर्स्ट ईयर गया. द थिंग, जैसे सब बोलते हैं ना, ये पार कर लो देन यू आर डन, ऐसा नहीं है. द grave goes on deeper. Like first year is a tougher, second, but it's like once you get into it, you get used to it. First year is little difficult because first exposure of the cadaver, we call it the cadaver in the dissection hall.
Okay.
I thought I'll faint. But I got there, the smell and all, you get slowly everything falls into place. That is why I would like to suggest, if anyone at all is thinking to join, please join. Slowly everything will fall into place and one day you'll be really happy. So जैसे कि we have a 4.5 year course. First year, then all the subjects are divided, 19 subjects total, and then 1 year internship you do in the same college or wherever you wish to. Then you have to do a 1 year rural service if you have done from a government college. Like I was from Guwahati Medical College, so I had done in Nalbari. And then again another grave, you study for your post-graduation NEET, again entrance, which I had appeared this year and I'm waiting for my counseling results. So that's all. In very short, I won't bore the people.
No, it's going great, yeah. So like I don't know, this मेरा intrusion आया. I just wanna be free from all the type of proper questioning that I always do. तो जैसे मेरे को बहुत personally डर लगता है, तो I have this intrusion to ask you also कि जैसे you see you first of all I guess trials आपका शायद animals के ऊपर होता है, insects and animals के ऊपर होता है, you dissect and everything. And then human beings, of course. अभी से मुझको डर लग रहा है. I don't know why. So like that fear, that fear was there.
मतलब the fear was definitely there. I used to think कि भाई कोई और कर दे, मेरा हो जाए, मुझे ना करना पड़े. But ऐसा नहीं है. Each one of you have to do it. अभी animals पे कम हो गया because of animal rights and all. We firstly do it on flowers and finally, but I had to cut a frog. किया मैंने जैसे तैसे. मतलब उनको 4 pins लगा के जब करना होता है, like first it's very frightening, and the task moreover was like to remove the fear. They ask you to catch your own frog because in government hospital, like the conditions are not pretty good, so you have like rainy season, we have lots of frogs. You bring your own frog and you have to cut it. The thing is, you overcome. Like I overcome the thing. Like cutting a frog, it's more difficult than cutting human beings, I'll tell you.
Yeah, obviously it is there. And कभी भी घर पे किसी को requirement है कि जैसे कुछ frogs ये सब आ जाए या कुछ भी आ जाए, चूहे आ जाए, तो you can call her. She's an expert.
Yeah, you have a wish to try. No, I'll send it to you now.
No, it's completely fine. And the entrance वाला बात जो आपने बोला, I don't know if you'll understand the pun or not, but it's like similar to CA वाले लोग. I guess जो लोग देख रहे हैं CA वाले लोग समझ जाएंगे.
Yeah,
CA फाउंडेशन क्लियर करने के बाद जो जर्नी शुरू होता है, आपको लगता है कि आप CA बन चुके हैं. It's very similar कि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि oh my god यही था बस जिंदगी में जो हमें पुश करना था, and then the main journey starts. So that's amazing. Yeah, that's
yeah. You a bit explain a bit about the CA journey too.
so like honestly mera story is pretty crazy. Like unlike everybody, I that is why when I've come into this education department also, तो मैं पहले ही पूछ लेता हूँ कि आपको सीए बनना क्यों है, because my story is crazy. Now here I am enjoying my life after 12th. I was thinking of doing economics honors, honestly. That was my plan of action. तो मैं life enjoy कर रहा हूँ यार, 12th clear हुआ है, obviously life enjoy करूँगा. तो so no plans of CA, no, same like you, no family background of having any CAs. So my mom and dad, as a very nice parent, they try to bring certain CAs to talk to me, you know, थोड़ा interest आ जाए, but none interested me. ठीक है? And I was at the time of class 11th. ठीक है? So what happened? One of my friend's mom, she thought कि she might do CA. ठीक है? तो like she bought the forms and all. You get physical forms at our times. I don't remember online available था या नहीं था, but वो physical forms वो लेके आ गए. Last moment जैसे कि सोचो कल last date है submit करने का forms. Finally at the night she decides कि वो CA नहीं करेगी. And her mom comes to my shop basically. She comes to my shop and she's talking with my parents. ठीक है? She's talking with my parents कि ऐसे ऐसे है, you can let Shashank do the CA and all. अभी तक I am not even in the picture. That's the best thing. अभी तक मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं.
That form might have ended with a Chanawala also. Might have.
Yeah. Seriously, like I have got no clue. मैं यहाँ पे जिंदगी जी रहा हूँ. And Rikita, you must be knowing, like 11th, 12th, I was a very, very serious student in this. Like I hate being like that, but I was an introvert also. So I was enjoying my part of getting free from 12th and enjoying. ऐसा था 12वीं पढ़ लो, उसके बाद life ही life ऐश है. So I was just trying to build in that. But like in the night, my dad said, I have filled up your form and everything. तो देख लो, कुछ नहीं है, आराम से हो जाएगा. एंड आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ कि लोगों को ये मजाक लगेगा, बट मुझे सीए का कोचिंग करने के बाद पता चला कि सीए में क्या होता है. ऑनेस्टली आई डिड नॉट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. ठीक है? सो आई वाज लाइक कि डैड आई वांट टू डू समथिंग एल्स. बोलता वो भी कर लेना, क्या दिक्कत है. तो आई वाज एन यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट आल्सो इनिशियली. आई प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट आल्सो. तो वो सब चीजें लगा कि कर लेना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो क्या दिक्कत है, पहले सीए कर लो. ठीक है. हम जब कोचिंग सेंटर गया पढ़ने के लिए तो लाइक ये तो कुछ अलग ही है भाई, ये क्या हो रहा है. मतलब लोग भर्ती बैठे हुए हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं. So that was a crazy one. I never expected myself, honestly, right now also I don't believe myself to be a CA. Luckily, CA and teaching got blended.
We match somewhere like.
Yeah, teaching and CA got blended. That's why I'm superbly lucky. You know, I just found what I love to do and it blended with my career. So that's like the thank you part wala cheez. Otherwise there was a lot of frustrations in between, but you know, all ends well. That does well or ends well, that's the best thing.
Definitely.
So it's fine that I'm basically, agar jisko lagta hai ki I'm not a proud CA, so I am a proud CA. Yes, my things are a bit different than the normal CAs. I respect them a lot, but yeah, that's the thing. So we have a very ajeeb story wali doctor and we also have a very ajeeb story wala CA basically. So
that's why we decided to share it out. Yeah,
share it out. Taki this, some of my students knows it, but yeah, it might be new for a lot of people. So that was the crazy things, yaar. So like okay, so you are inside this medical school. I'll call it a medical med school and college.
Yeah.
So like, what is like the 3 ajeebo gareeb cheez, like crazy things that has happened to you, or kuch craziness that you feel across कि oh my god ये मैं कभी नहीं करता. तो ऐसा कुछ आपके साथ में इंस्टेंस या ऐसा कुछ है which you like to share?
Like ये मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ये ह्यूमन बॉडी कैन वर्क विदाउट स्लीप, विदाउट फूड. आई थॉट इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. जो दिखाते हैं कि वो 24 आवर्स 48 आवर्स कंटिन्यू काम करते हैं, that's all rubbish. I never thought it's possible. So पहले गए कॉलेजेस में ऐसा था, आज तुम्हारा नाइट है, कल मॉर्निंग है, then you also have day. First day I was like, oh man, what you're talking, like night hai, morning hai, day hai, calculate the hours. But once you get into it, like 24 hours, 36 hours seems nothing to you. अपने आप बॉडी भी काम करता है, everything happens. Crazy thing is, मैंने जब अपने seniors को देखा, they have a small bag only, but they have everything in it. Toothbrush, toothpaste, जहां टाइम मिला वहीं पे टूथब्रश टूथपेस्ट करके रेडी हो जाओ बस. एवरी टाइम यू आर रेडी फॉर अ पेशेंट. दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग आई फील, व्हिच इज गुड अबाउट माय, I would say, branch. Like every time every doctor is ready. जो भी लोग सोचे, that's different, but
amazing.
They have a small vanity type kit. Like all of us, we won't waste time if we have duty on ourselves. The mindset is such at that time कि भाई नहीं, अपना हो जाएगा बाद में, पहले जो ड्यूटी है उनको पूरा कर लेते हैं. Actually, like, people might not agree with me on this point because the patients have to wait a lot or in government sector, but that is because of the doctor patient ratio actually in our country. But if you see, like, being on the other side, I'm like, we don't waste, because wasting a minute, we cannot worth it. It can change. It can change wonders. It might save someone. It might lead to someone's death.
Yeah.
So that is the craziest thing which I had to adapt. I was never so energetic. I was a kind of lazy slumbag type, like happy with my books and everything. That is one crazy thing I learned. Second crazy thing is, people won't agree with me, but we doctors are party freaks too. I think it's something new. Looking at your face, I can see. Like, जो भी time मिलता है, जितना भी मिले, apart our duties, be it after 24-48 hour shift, me and my friends, I would say, I cannot say about the whole community, but there are people. See, look at your face, like it's like क्या बोल रही है ये लड़की?
नहीं, I'm not saying. ठीक है.
We are party freaks. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत time मिलता है, we love to party. जैसे कि कुछ लोग सोचेंगे it's very bored. बाहर से the world is very boring, medical world is very boring. But I would say, मेरे एज के जितने लोगों ने जितनी मस्तियां की होंगी, not to name everything, भाई पब्लिक है ये, but I have done everything. I have enjoyed every bit. कम बेसी वो चलता रहेगा, but it's not boring. You can live your life if you want to, and you can adjust everything. Studies, और ऐसा नहीं है it's only study. Yeah, I would agree, थोड़ा ज्यादा है, but you can adjust. You can always have your time.
So, like, okay. So this is a good point, actually. I just want to interrupt in between from the third one, but there's one good point that has been extracted from their profession, is that कि हम लोग workaholics हो सकते हैं. We can work very hard also, and we can enjoy our work by partying also. तो CA वालों जितने सुन रहे हो, we need to do this. So let's also develop this habit कि जितना काम करो.
There are no parties in CA. Did I hear?
No, there are parties. There are obviously parties, but जैसे ratio तुम बता रहे ना, that you work very very hard, then you party also, like that community parties together. I'll not say कि वो community पूरी तरह party करता है. There might be bits and groups, but yes, the community working very hard and partying together and enjoying, that is lesser. I'll not say rare.
Yeah, I would interrupt. ये एक बहुत ये conception है, like doctors are only study and duties and no parties. ये एक conception है, मेरा भी था. I was so happy to see this part, and I was lucky to get friends like this. At least we could enjoy also. Otherwise, you won't be able to survive, right?
Yeah, that is true. That is true. Or I said, though, we haven't been into common parties so much, but जितना we have been, I've seen her partying a lot. No one will believe कि she's a doctor. Okay, so that is the best thing. Yes.
Actually.
Rikita, the third one.
I didn't get you.
The third one. The third crazy story that you want to say. Anything else?
Okay. Anything else? Like, there's nothing specific about being crazy.
वो ऐसा incident that you remember, which was like कि आपको याद आ जाता है कि यार ऐसा हुआ था या इस समय ऐसा हुआ था. Any incident that comes into your head?
ऐसा हुआ था, like I was worried because just जब तक हम लोग पढ़ रहे होते, like 4.5 years में, we are under our seniors to see patients, but internship में we can see patients on our own, even though it's our first experience, but we are like open to see. तब suddenly ऐसा हुआ था कि like जो बोलते हैं ना आज तक वो ज्यादा मत समझ, like next to God type, वो एक बार फीलिंग आई थी लाइक there was a very old man and his son bought him. He was like very sick. So we cared. जो अपना I was like doing it as my duty. मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं था. But the son was there every day. He used to be there. And कुछ नहीं बोला उसे. He was like for 1 week in the hospital. कुछ नहीं बोला. But the last day when he was going, he was like from very poor family and thing. But he bought me a big chocolate and he folded his hands. Thank you so much. I was like so shocked and so touched by the feeling कि अब that everything is worth in the end जो बोलते हैं that day everything was like worth it.
Such a proud
That
moment.
feeling is something else.
That is not comparable only. That is amazing. That's like amazing यार. तो ऐसा कभी होता है कि ऐसे पेशेंट से मिला, ऐसे क्यूरियोसिटी से पूछा, ऐसे पेशेंट से मिला, ऐसे कुछ वो बता दिया और आपको पता नहीं है क्या करना है, ऐसा कभी होता है?
हाँ,
जैसे कुछ पेशेंट आए आपके पास में, ही एड्रेस्ड अ प्रॉब्लम, तो ऐसा कभी हुआ कि समझ में नहीं आया वो क्या बोला, या एक बार में वो नहीं हुआ, ऐसा लगा कि
ये सब पब्लिकली बोलूं क्या मैं? नो टू बी ऑनेस्ट ऐसा बहुत बार होता है, बट लाइक तब वी आर फ्री टू गेट एडवाइस फ्रॉम आवर सीनियर्स. जैसे हम लोग बोल देते हैं ये प्रॉब्लम है, आप वेट कीजिए, या फिर यू कंसल्ट, वी रेफर टू आवर सीनियर्स. लाइक वी डोंट मिसगाइड कि ये लेके जाओ. मेनी पीपल थिंक कि हम लोग नहीं पता तो लिख देते हैं, बट वी रेफर.
So
it's okay to accept that you don't know and you can refer.
Yeah,
Safe.
So it's safe that
safe
everybody.
Good for the patient. Good
Sorry?
for the patient.
Yeah.
Good for the patient.
Best for the patient. No tension at all. आप लोग एकदम safe हाथों में हो, ठीक है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है आप लोगों को. That's the.
ऐसा बहुत बार होता है, and you learn from them, no? Then you can learn about it.
Yeah, of course you can learn from your seniors, and as you progress in your work, you'll become better, best. Yeah, that is great. Yeah. So like that's amazing. A crazy story शायद तक होना जरूरी है, otherwise life में फिर ऐसा लगता है कि क्या हो गया. तो और
वरना आज हम शेयर क्या करते?
या लिटरली मतलब वही चीज है कि पहले तो मेरा डाइसेक्शन वाला चीज मेरे को अजीब लग रहा था, सा वो तो ऑलरेडी दिमाग में चल रहा है मेरा, बट इट्स ग्रेट. बट द लास्ट जो आपने बताया अभी,
I now get it. The third point which you had asked me, the crazy thing.
Yeah.
Like one day I was lying. Not me. It has happened with every medical student. Like today, it is in our first year. There is a subject anatomy which we read about bones and all. Mm-hmm. So I was reading that time. I had a vacation thing, and like I was reading about bones. We have to read them, real bone set. We have to buy and we have to read. So I was on my bed with all the bones scattered. And suddenly, because रात को मम्मी सोने के बाद I was reading, I would have kept it again back, but suddenly I fall asleep. Then morning she came and she was almost about to scream. I was lying on my bed, मेरे चारों तरफ bones. Like you can understand, you can just think the kind of scream she must have done. Like then she had asked me all to wash and everything. Like yeah, third crazy thing, lying on a bed with all bones all around.
A guy who is already afraid of horror movies, like if you talk about horror I get afraid. ऐसा कुछ अगर witness किया होता तो गजब. That is like great यार. So like these are the fun parts. Okay, these are the fun parts कि हाँ अच्छा लगा, बहुत सही लगा. You get motivated every time. तो ऐसा भी ऐसा situation होता होगा कि you get low sometimes or you feel bad because the thing is कि आप इतना emotionally connected हो. They say in your course that don't be attached or don't be emotionally connected with the patient, but आप generally हो जाते हो, right? हो जाते हो with the circumstance situation. So there might be a lot of low times in your work ethics or while studying कि इतना कुछ करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. तो like in any course, I'll not say कि आप सिर्फ medical वाला चीज के लिए बताओ, but in any course this happens, especially I'll say in medicine because you every day the life fluctuates in this way. You meet new people, you treat new people, that's a crazy thing. So like what motivates you every time, and जब ऐसा low कभी feel करो, तो what drives you again कि you know what, that's my job, I need to do it.
Okay, so I would divide it into two parts. First, while I was studying for my MBBS, बहुत टाइम ऐसा आए when I was like क्यों लिया यार, नहीं हो रहा. First of all, I used to cry, mummy, नहीं हो रहा. But every time the thing which kept me going was the prefix which I would have got and which I got now. The prefix DR मैंने बड़े करके अपने टेबल लगा के रखा था that someday I want to be Dr. Nikita Agarwal, that was enough. वो that can drive you to heights. I think same would be with you.
That's
CA,
common every time. This one. Ulta take
every
some.
time the CA and the DR keeps
Yeah,
going, that kept
amazing.
us going, and now we are here today. Like, because there are a lot of times where you can't adjust the study load and everything. You need to adjust with the duty timings. So कुछ एक you will have to fix something कि नहीं, I कुछ भी हो ये नहीं छोड़ना. So that helps you. And then for the work part, which after in internship we felt the emotional thing, ये बहुत बार होता है. Like sometimes you feel like कैसे भी कुछ भी करके इनको बचा लूं or something, because someone dying in front of you, it's not easy, and the family crying in front of you, it's definitely like the toughest part, I would say, is declaring death. Like our seniors, it's their duty, like which was my first death. He left me, जा जाके बता family को. I was like, and it was 3 a.m. in the morning, and it was tough because it was daughter and the father had died. Daughter was around my age, our age. So that's the most difficult part, to declare deaths of people, because loved ones, obviously we can't even दूसरे का सुनने से कैसा लगता है. So it's like you couldn't do anything. That's the most helpless feeling you get. So
That is like we have thought of discussing a very light-hearted discussion, but such topics generally tend to make you sad. And you know what? She just told you कि ऐसा है. But what is she going in their head? The family that is gone, that is going through it,
and when
is
they're standing
crazy.
in
Yes.
front of you and they expect that कुछ अच्छा बोल दो, कुछ
Yeah.
अच्छा बोल दो, and you have
Exactly.
nothing to say.
Yeah, like all these things, you know what? This increases the amount of respect, and this says the reason why they are considered to be that strong, you know. And this COVID situation has also proven to be a worthy point to consider कि, you know what, doctors have become the pillars of strength basically. Regularly कुछ ना कुछ try कर रहे हैं, they're fighting through it. It's crazy यार. मतलब देखो, keeping aside कि अब आप ऐसे जैसे बोल सकते हो लोग बाग कि, you know, तारीफ कर रहे हैं, but honestly it deserves the amount of applause कि यार हमें डर लगता है टू कम आउट. ठीक है, हमें डर लगता है टू कम आउट ऑफ आवर प्लेस. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी ब्लंट एंड ऑनेस्ट थिंग व्हिच आई वुड लाइक टू से टू एवरीबॉडी. आई विल सब लोग ये चीज एग्री करते होंगे कि हमें डर लगता है ऑनेस्टली. बाहर निकल जाएगा, कुछ हो जाएगा, क्या होगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी ट्राई टू कीप आवरसेल्व्स शील्डेड एवरी डे. यू नो व्हाट, नथिंग हैपेंस टू अस, नथिंग हैपेंस टू आवर फैमिली. बट टू, yeah, sorry for the network, but dude, like every day to carry that ppe kit along and solve problems and solve multiple problems of already going issues plus the covid thing, like that's crazy. Or you people are managing, how is the squad managing entire thing. That's something which is next level. And that's
Like to
awesome.
add something like
Yeah.
yeah, there is a salute from me to my all the colleagues who have been in the COVID duty. Right now, I'm not directly exposed to it as I had just done my rural and out of the government system. Because I'm not directly into the COVID duty now, but I know my colleagues and friends and seniors are doing it. It's totally respect from heart, and we are very happy that at least people are recognizing it. The doctors are getting the respect for what they are doing, because it's very difficult. The ppe temperature and all which they mention, it's really true. No AC and all. I will someday other I might be going into that. I hope I come out through it too.
No, you'll definitely be. I really hope that you come out to be okay and you treat a lot of good patients. And I really hope कि, अरे, there's no words to honestly say. That's why I barely fumble, but this is the first time and I have to fumble because it's so freaking awesome and emotional to be in that position and speak about it. That's crazy. And yes, mask पहनते हैं हम लोग. एक घंटा के लिए अगर mask पहनते हैं, we feel so suffocated. And it's ऐसा लगता है कि क्या हो रहा है. The body temperature increases because there's no much oxygen coming into your body, I believe. ठीक है, but PP kit पूरा time पहनना, and I've seen कि लोगों का यहाँ से blood आ जाता है आपका यहाँ से, and because of the things rashes आ रहा था. That's yeah, मतलब what do I say? And that is the beautiful, I guess that today is a very beautiful day to celebrate this beautiful moment with a doctor and celebrate Doctors Day as a true amount of respect for the people who are keeping us in a very proper state. And yes, for the chartered accountants also, who are keeping our financial health to a great state. That's great. Because of the economic going down, let us all save together and let us become the saviors as they are becoming the health
Wealth
saviors.
is the health, as is the saying, health is wealth.
Yeah, true.
Save the
So, so like Rekita, like I know that we'll not talk about the contemporaries honestly. Okay, a lot of people know कि क्या क्या चीज अभी precautions में लेना चाहिए आपको. Like everybody knows it कि mask पहनो वो सब पहनो आप लोग. तो like मेरा एक general सा question आप लोग को ये रहेगा कि do you think कि अब जो है because of the entire situation which is going on, do you think the health system will change and will people's quality and thought of their health will also change after this situation or during this situation? Do you feel the change?
Yeah, see, Shashank, like I cannot guarantee it will change, but I want that it should change because it's very much necessary now. The as such the situation is, we came to know about the loopholes in our health system. As such pandemic had not come, so it was going on, but like the shortage of beds, the shortage of doctors. I think the doctor patient ratio is around 1:800 or something, and whereas in the ratio is 0.8 in India, whereas in Germany it's around 4.5 out of 5. So see the difference. So I think now the government facilities and the people will also be more aware about their health. They will take care of themselves much more, and the government will also come up with more facilities for the people, and they will work out on more health schemes. I think they should do that, and they are pretty doing it also slowly. First we need to fight with this, then only we will be able to deal with a proper health system, because now this thing has grabbed us from all corners such that we are not able to progress in anything except this. The only motive now is to first come out of this, and I wish that this opens up our people's mind. They are more aware of their health. They go for regular checkups. Whatever is advised, they follow it properly. What they need to do it now, everyone pretty much now have it on their lips. What they need to do, I wish they follow it, and as I wish the health system develops more.
So like you're already saying the ratio between the patient and the doctor wala cheez na, it's huge in India especially. So why do you feel कि ये चीज है, मतलब क्या reason है इसका?
Reason as such, see, the thing is कि as is the saying, चल रहा है. वही saying है, like even if you visit someday GMC, like there are people in the gynae department, especially the patients are lying on the floor. We don't have enough beds, so we need to put beds on the floor, and we need to treat them accordingly. So they need to object upon it, no, why they would be on the floor, because already they are in a immunity deprived state at that time. So that is very dangerous. But kya kare? Who can do something? If everyone comes out together and raise voice against it, only then it would be possible. And they need to increase seats. Yeah, it's very less. Like even after doing MBBS, again the seats are 110. So the thing is, many MBBS doctors, like now I'm only in MBBS. After doing MBBS, we again need to sit for 1 or 2 years to do our PG. By that time, many have to handle their families. Many are married. Many already have kids. They need to run their families. So they give up the PG dream. So we are not getting many specialties. And as per like many doctors, specials are going abroad because of the more good facilities available there. So we are losing talent. And this is a very, very hard reality which is being shown some days but also hidden.
So like
as a whole,
yeah, please.
So as a whole, like everyone will have to work for it. Like only doctors can't change it, or only the patients can't. Everyone will have to come along. Then only something might happen. But right now the situation is really worse, I would say.
So like if like that was coming into my head also across the thoughts, because like if there are changes that has to be made in the medical system, like that's like honestly very constructive. We don't want to, honestly, whatever she's saying or whatever I'll say on my heart is not to defame anybody, but just a constructive notion or a constructive idea so that we can improve on whatever things we already have. And probably some of the things can be implemented very soon. That would be great, because people are there to work hard and we just need the right infrastructure and the right people to do the same. So like if you want to improve on the medical system, one will be the ratio that you have been saying, to improve that conditions and to increase the number of doctors also. And like, there is any other suggestion, or I'll call it suggestion only, which should be coming up?
Yeah, sure. Because I would like to elaborate on that. I'm just an MBBS now, just stepped into this field. I'm not. I'm no one to give any suggestion on this field. There are seniors, there are everything. But
Yeah.
if you say someday I'm giving the magic wand or I have the power that you want to change this, the only thing I would like to change is that the selection pattern. The selection pattern should be only on the basis of merit.
Okay.
Because many meritorious students are losing this. They appear, they get disheartened and they leave the field. So we are losing talent. I'm not blaming anything, I'm not naming anyone, but I would suggest that the selection should be pretty directly on the basis of marks on, and nothing else there should be considered, at least in this field, because it's directly connected to saving lives.
Yeah, that's a very true statement which has been said. And I believe ki, you know what, with more developments and with more new India coming into place, so I'm really hopeful for a beautiful future that will be coming up.
This is really the need. This is
Yeah.
really the need.
That's very important. That's really very important, honestly. Yeah. That's something which has to be considered and has to be kept upon, so that we have talents. We already have talents, and but उसको बस channelize करना जरूरी है. Yeah, we don't want to lose talents. So yeah, talented persons, please come up. Let us just किसी तरीके से.
Is lucky in this department, I feel so.
Yeah, there is no systems like that. We are blessed with this system. So yeah, honestly, I also wish to change a few things, but this is not the one which I would like to really amend among the various great things which already has. So it's a good thing. So there's no compartmentalization. There's one body which is controlling the entire system, and that is a good thing to be aware. So that's great, yeah. So अचानक से इतना हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा intense discussion में चले गए, and
we thought it to be a light-hearted one,
yeah.
but I think so it's going somewhere.
Yeah. So
no.
Okay, so that was just a suggestion from a very nice doctor that is about to provide her services very soon. So, but coming back to our discussion that we were making initially, so Rikita, apart from the love that you have from treating patients and everybody, what do you like to do other than just being in the hospital? I know it's your forte, it's your dream to be in the hospital, but what other than that, what do you like to do?
Like other than that, up to like I like traveling. I feel like my mother is, she's always like ye pagal hai. मतलब the time I get whatever vacation I get, I feel कि कुछ plan होना चाहिए, and I need to go out. I need to go out. Like first, which was my first vacation after my first year MBBS, I had a 30-day vacation. I used to go out every day. I didn't know she was keeping a count on it. Like I love to go out, meet friends, partying. This I love. Reading books, I would not say it was before in 12, but I have read so much that no, now there is a kind of aversion.
That, you know, just get out of the ecosystem that you're already there and just be in a different. So you would like to travel in Guwahati itself or like outside?
I would love to go outside every time, but that's not possible. Yeah, so jo bhi possible. When I love painting, I do sometimes.
तो बेसिकली डॉक्टर भी है प्लस टैलेंटेड भी है. चलो बढ़िया है, बहुत सही है. तो लाइक एक बहुत अच्छा फ्रेज है ना जो बोलते हैं कि कुछ साल पढ़ लो आप लोग, एक बार मेडिकल सिस्टम के अंदर घुसा. आई नो यू हैव आंसर्ड ऑलरेडी, बट एक बहुत अच्छा फ्रेज है ना, कुछ साल पढ़ लो, एक बार एंट्रेंस हो जाए तो आपका लाइफ सेट है, एक बार वो ये एमबीबीएस खत्म हो जाए.
हाँ शशांक, आई थिंक वी बोथ वुड अग्री, ये बहुत बड़ा झोल है. ये सबसे बड़ा झोल है जो हर बच्चे को बोला जाता है. पहले 10th दे लो, हो गया, सब हो गया. लाइक पहले 10th वाज लाइक आई स्टडीड फॉर माय 10th एग्जाम्स, लाइक इट वुड डिसाइड माय लाइफ. बाद में पता चला उसमें कुछ नहीं है. इट वाज सो सैड. लाइक 10 दे लो, देन 12. आई सेड नो, आई थॉट एंट्रेंस देने से हो गया. इट्स नथिंग. देन यू गेट टू नो द रियल वर्ल्ड. ये it's like disclaimer, जो भी ये sentence बोले कभी मत मानो, इसका हर एक word is a lie. ये कभी true नहीं है. Like now I am MBBS already. I can write the doctor, but abhi bhi my journey is not over. I need to study for post graduation. After that, there are people doing BM, MC. It's never ending. In same is in your branch. Even now you're studying. You want to pursue more. So it's never ending statement. ये बिल्कुल कोई भी मत मान.
तो ये सरासर झूठ है. तो जितने भी पेरेंट्स ये चीज कर रहे हैं,
बिल्कुल झूठ है.
आप जो बोल रहे हो वो गलत है. मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, आप ही गलत बता रहे हो उनको. ठीक है, ऐसे मत करो. ठीक है, उनको चलने दो. So like okay, so if I am in 11th and like I've just joined science, so science also has multiple fields, right? So like अगर मैं 11th में हूँ and I've just joined science, so how do I get an intrusion? You know what medical is? I know वो drive रहता है to put in a prefix before your name, but like how do I verify myself? You know what, this just might be the right spot to enter basically. So how do you decide
Like you
that?
need to see that how to decide that if I would be able to carry on with
Yeah.
it, like how to
Yeah,
decide.
yeah.
So the thing is, firstly, though, you'll have to know your inner self. I would say, you will have to satisfy yourself. Like that. One thing you can suggest is you can decide upon is if you love maths or you're loving biology, because that makes a difference. If you can read long terms, you can remember them, you can read them again and again. First thing you can do it that, and like if you are good with numbers, if you're good with reading, वो अपने आप आएगा. Like it's totally, it's individualistic. It's totally depends upon the individual. We cannot generalize the thing.
So like after you enter also, for example, you have cleared your entrances also. So like is like you have to learn every subject, I believe, right? Like you cannot, you do a master's after your MBBS and then you can
like
basically...
yeah, 19 subjects are there. You have to study. I will not name them. It would be quite boring. Study all the 19 now, and after MBBS you decide on one subject which you want to pursue as your post graduation, and you will be continuing it for the whole life. That
was what the roadmap is basically, that you have to complete your MBBS, then you can specialize on a particular subject. So that is it. And second चीज है कि intrusion होना चाहिए, that आपके अंदर है वो चीज. And number 3 is कि how good you are with the subject, how properly you understand a subject. That is something which is very important if you're thinking of joining a med school. So like any night time ऐसे होता ना कि अभी जैसे नॉर्मल में हम लोग अभी जैसे हम लोग आराम से नॉर्मली बैठे हुए हैं, डे टाइम है, it's all fine, it's all cool, it's okay. If you have to go for a service also, it's fine, duty, sorry. तो रात को ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि you are sleeping, you're just taking a nap and then suddenly you have a wake up call? Do you have such type of a story? Yeah, during our internship days we have a night duty, so I would have never imagined कि मैं एक phone call से उठ जाऊंगी, because basically moms are always on your head. I was also that type of kid कि नहीं जब उठाएगी तभी, but now I'm like phone is there on a single ring that comes along. ये होता है, you're on duties, you have to be very very specific with your phones. It can never get discharged. You have to manage it well. You have, with a single call, you have to get up and you have to rush. जैसे we used to say ना, जैसे serials में दिखाते, how do they sleep well? That I have experienced. You are on your proper outing dresses, you sleep, and then because in between duties, otherwise you won't be able to do mornings, right? If you don't take small naps. That happens. It happens pretty in every night duties. You have to attend to calls. You have to rush from one building to another, attending patients. There are emergencies, everything. So that's very exciting, I would say. That's very exciting. सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, जब विटनेस करते हैं तो थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है वैसे, बट ठीक है. If your motive is such big, तो फिर वो चीज आपके लिए नॉर्मल सा हो जाता है. That is how we conclude this part of the discussion that we have made. So Rikita, that was like amazing. You know, there are a lot of things that we have to discuss. Okay, this is not the first time yet. Like this is not the only time we are talking. I think if we keep continuing, no one would listen to us because it's going on and it's going on. कोई नहीं सुनेगा. नहीं, ऐसा बात नहीं है. हमारे लोग सुनेंगे. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. But जैसे कि वो बाहुबली जब first वाला end हो रहा था ना, that we have a post discussion afterwards. So बाहुबली में जैसे था कि कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा? ठीक है, तो I believe there's one question जो कि आपके पास में शायद बहुत बार आ गया होगा और जिसका आंसर शायद आप पता नहीं आपके पास है या नहीं है, तो मेरे को खाली एक ही चीज पूछना है, ये कोविड कब खत्म होगा?
ये मुझे भी कोई बता दे कि ये कोविड कब खत्म होगा. No one, I would say no one has this answer. Even the WHO will not be, they are not able to answer it, because as now the community spread has also started. I wish तू मुझे बता दे ये कोविड कब खत्म होगा, because it has damaged the normal life in such a ways. No one is able, like, I would say it's now getting into people's mental health.
Yeah.
They are getting depressed, stressed, which is quite normal. Staying in closed doors every time, it's not possible. But देखो, vaccine, now a vaccine has been developed which has gone into human trials, but it also takes 6 months.
Time.
So if it would get successful, then but definitely hoga, definitely we would win over it and we will come out of it soon.
So like we have a ray of positivity at the end. पहले तो मुझे डर लग रहा था कि कई जो viewers है वो डर नहीं जाए, because the doctor's statement is very strong. But we have a ray of hope कि you know what, we'll get through this process. Also, जितने भी जन, if you're having any issues with your mental health and depression, there's not the biggest deal in the world that you speak it out, discuss it out. I believe that you will also agree on the same, that we should speak it out. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, हमें discuss करना चाहिए.
And we have also come up with the initiative, the Let's Speak Up. I would like our viewers to join the page, and anything, they can speak it out. We are there to help anytime, because this pandemic is really not easy, not for you, for everyone.
Everybody, yeah. So Let's Speak Up is a Facebook page that the team has designed, and we'll link it down in the description below. Go like it. Speak जो भी मन में हो, मत सोचो लोग बाग क्या बोलेंगे, and that is what you have to do in this entire process. I feel that everybody, being a doctor, being a chartered accountant, and all the fraternities that were there, okay, we are including everybody into it, that we are all together, and we really hope that you really had a good time talking. And Rikita, I believe कि आप bored नहीं हो discussing your stories, and I had a great time.
I was lucky today in getting to know what normal people think about MedLife is. Like, I'm among the medical fraternity. I don't know what it looks like from outside. I got to know the different angle of my field from you today.
Yeah, that is I feel is a common gesture for everybody. We have huge amount of respect for whatever service the fraternity is providing us. We really hope that the medical system and also the education system and the economic system of India improves a lot, and touch wood, everything goes on good. So with that,
touch wood for Corona.
Yeah, thank you. Negative हो जाना चाहिए, एकदम zero हो जाना चाहिए. Thank you, Rikita, so much. We are coming up with we are also coming up with something more serious and something more informative with her. So stay connected for that also. And I really hope you like the video. And yeah, so happy CA Day and
happy Doctors.
Happy Doctors.
Happy CA Day from my side to all the CAs.
Yes, happy Doctors Day from my side. Okay, so thank you everybody. Take care. And
so much, Shashank. It was really great to talk to you.
Thank you.